Today we're replacing this PSC motor, condenser fan motor, with an Evergreen ECM motor. I've never done one of these before. I've replaced ECM motors, but not PSC to ECM. So we're gonna do this together, see how well it works. I heard it's actually really easy to wire in, but yeah, let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is take off the panel, the access panel. We're gonna pull the motor out, flip it over, get this motor out of here, and then we'll put the new one in. All right, pan's off. Let's take out this fan. All right, let's disconnect all this. All right, that's off. Okay, now we're going to take off the blade and take out the motor. Yep. All right, blade's off. Let's take the motor off. There's the old one. Done. Here's the new one. Well, this is what we're going to do first. Let's run all this through here, get the motor mounted, and then we'll deal with the wiring. That's going to be a little easier. Where's my tube? Here's my tube. All right. So, just step this up. Oh yeah, they work just fine. Just like that. Yo. Alright, let's get the fan blade on. Alright, now the through here. Go. Just taking my damn mic, man. Not cool, bro. There you go. So this is actually pretty simple. Your green one you're going to put to ground, obviously. White you're going to put to T2 right here. Okay. No, sorry. White you're going to go T2, sorry, over here. This you're going to put on T1 over here, but if you're using 1075, you leave it as it is. If you need 825 RPM, you're going to take off the yellow. Ours is an 825, so we're going to take off the yellow. Then your purple, you're going to connect purple for counterclockwise or disconnect for clockwise. So, oops. If you're going to have it counterclockwise, you're going to leave it as it is. If you need clockwise, you're going to pull this apart, disconnect it. Pretty simple. Let's connect the green ground first. Okay, ground one. Maybe I should disconnect this first. Oh, there we go. All right. Now let's make this look good. All right, that's it. We're good. All right, all done. Motor's in, capacitor's in, we're all buttoned up. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it'd be. And she works. All right, let's get out of here. On to the next.